Happy Monday, boys and girls. So we are actually on the very last lesson in Unit 9, which means, Unit 10 starting soon. All right, let's start with some segmenting, all right? Let's use our free fingers here, all right? Free them up. They don't have to be curled. So we're going to count the sounds that we hear in the word. All right, your first word is grass. Ready? Ass. Grass. How many? Yeah, 4. How about grassy? Like my little pants got all grassy when I was sitting in the grass. Ass-y. Yeah, 5. How about cookies? Ease. Cookies. How many? 5. Muffins. Ready? Ins. How many? 6. Donuts. Ready? Donuts. How many? 6. Brownies. Ready? Brownies. Yeah, 6. Cupcakes. Ready? Eggs. Cupcakes. How many? 7. Now, if I said the words to you, cookies, muffin, donuts, brownies, cupcakes, you would say these are all words that are describing some type of what? Yeah, dessert or snack. All right, let's move on. Boys and girls, not only are we on lesson 23 and getting ready for unit 10, but we're on our last Zach and Ann story. So you are seeing a phrase here. Can you read it? Go ahead. They're simple. This is like back in the fall you could read these. Yeah, top hat. What's a top hat? Did you ever see a top hat? All right, let me see if I can find you a picture of a top hat. Hold on. Yeah, so that picture was a top hat. I'm not quite sure why a dog was wearing a top hat, but a top hat's like a big, tall hat that somebody would wear. All right, let's see what story we are going to read today. And I'm going to go to the second page of the table of contents. Read it with me. Ready? Let me move in for you. Good. Ann's right hat box. Ann's hat box on page 78. What do you think a hat box is? Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. A box for a hat, huh? Let's see if it is a box for hats, and if it is, what kind of hats does she have? Will she have a top hat? She might. Let's see. All right, Ann's hat box. Ann sets a box of hats on the bed. Which hat is the best? Ann asks. So she's asking, so you see that question mark. Is this black top hat the best? What does Zach say? No, Zach says. That one has a big dent. Ooh, let's take a look and see her top hat. Well, there's her hat box. There's her top hat. Ooh, let's go in. Yeah, look at that dent. How do you think that got there? So does Zach think the top hat's the best? Right, nope, Zach said no. That one had a dent. Let's continue. Is this one the best? Asks Ann. No, says Zach. That's a nap cap. A nap cap. What's a nap cap? We'll find out. Is this one the best? Asks Anne. No, says Zach. This one? Anne asks. What does he say? Yuck, says Zach. Let's see what the nap cap looks like. Would you take a nap in that cap? Somebody might, yeah. They might keep their hair in place while they sleep. Yeah, so a nap cap is something that you might put on your head so that your hair kind of stays nice and doesn't get messed up, or maybe your grown-up has something in your hair that they want to keep it from getting on your pillow. So a nap cap, that looks comfy to me. All right, let's see which one Zach likes. Anne picks lots of hats. Zach says no to all of them. Then Anne picks a red hat. Is this one the best? Anne asks. What does Zach say? Say it with an exclamation point. Big loud voice. Yes! Zach says that red hat is the best. Let's see what red hat. That is an interesting hat. Look, it has feathers and a flower and a blue band. Look at all the other interesting caps or hats. Which one was your favorite? Did you like the nap cap? The top hat? That looks like a crown, maybe a jester's crown. A baseball cap? Let me see back here. I think I saw my favorite cap. Oh, I like that one. What kind of a cap is that? Yeah, it looks like a Santa Claus cap, huh? I like that one. All right, so I am going to be sending you this story, and you're going to have, let me show you what you're going to be working on in your seesaw activities. Okay, so in your seesaw activities, you are going to have 2 phrases that you have to read, and you have to look at the picture and mark the phrase or the sentence. I'm sorry, these are not phrases. You guys are too smarty pants to have just phrases now. You pretty much have sentences. So mark the sentence that's telling about the picture, okay? You don't need to write these, okay? But you do need to read it and mark the sentence. Over here, same thing. Read both. Mark the one that tells about the picture. Then we come to our story about Anne's hat box, okay? So again, you can use the mic if you wish. The mic is great, all right? Use the mic and answer the questions in complete what? Yep, complete sentences, all right? So let's see. And on the back page, you have another question that you can mark the sentence. And then what do you have to do in the boxes when you see them? I think sometimes we forget a little bit. Yeah, you're going to illustrate, draw a part of the story, and then write a little caption about it. It can be a phrase about it or a sentence about it. But these are 2 things that you have to do also with the story. All right, so I will make sure that I attach Anne's hat box to this as well. All right, have a great day working, and I can't wait to see your work.